Well, here we are. We're going to go in and get our archery license for the 2024 season. I haven't hunted in like 3 years. So I'm going to head back out there and try it again. And the only reason I'm doing that is because of this young lady right here. She wants to go in and get her hunting license. So I'm going to teach her. I'm going to teach her everything that I know. Just hopefully she learns. Because I'm getting old. And I need somebody else to go get my deer and drag my deer out. You want to drag my deer out?
Yeah.
Alright. It's alright, I got a cart. We'll throw it on the cart and drag it out. Wheel it out. Alright, so let's go in and get her license too. Oh, look, she's bored. We are at Greenhorn Outdoors in Shiloh, just outside of Bridgeton. We're going to go inside, and we're going to go inside here and get our license. Hopefully it's a pleasant experience. And look what we got. She is now officially an archery hunter. Whoop whoop! I got a new hunting partner. Alright, so in order to go out and use these hunting licenses that we just got in January season, we're going to come out here and we have to check the stands, make sure that they're clean, safe, and adequate to use. But right now we're going to use this one. We're going to use this blind right here, so we got to go in and check it and make sure nobody's been in it, make sure no critters are in there, and make sure absolutely no bees are in there. So yeah, we'll grab the hornet spray. Alright, so me and her daddy put this up, and unfortunately we didn't get a chance to use it before he passed. So we're going to use it now. We got to make a couple modifications to this blind. I'm going to mount a camera on the front of it, and I got to cut a little more out of that window so it doesn't interfere with the scope. So I brought the generator to make my job a little easier. Be enough room now for a crossbow and the scope. I'll go inside and I'll trim this off, and we should be good to go. Alright, this way we got it documented, just in case I hurt myself and cut a finger off. It's documented. So, okay, so I'm going to cut 2 slots so I can put a camera, mount a camera right here, facing out, and our bait pile will be out there, and so I can mount the camera, because there's no nothing here to mount a camera to, and I can lock it. So let's see if I can damage something here. Well, it's not pretty, but it'll work. I'll be able to get my strap and strap that around here. I'll make another one here and put that camera right there. There we go. I'll strap that through there. And like I said, I got a box and I'll put that camera right there. Face it out there. Now I'm going to drill 2 holes through here. I got my drill and I'm going to drill 2 holes so I can run my cable lock. That's that. Put the strap, put the cable lock, put the lock on the inside. Good to go. Alright, so kiddo, this is what we're going to do. You got your rangefinder? Mm-hmm. Alright, you got your rangefinder. Alright, good. Now, we're going to walk it off back here in the field, okay? And you're going to range find the blind, okay. Alright? And we want 20 yards. Somewhere out in that field, and then that's where we're going to dump our bait. Okay. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. You got a rangefinder. If you just walk out into the field, and then you point it towards that, and it'll tell you how far away you are. So come on, let's walk. Come on, come on. Alright, so here's a good clearing right here. See all the corn? That's from the combine. I don't know how much we're going to be able to do this. Alright, look, here's a good clearing right here. Wait a minute. See, look, here's a good clearing. Okay? So, you step here, okay, and you range find, put it on the blind. What's it say?
Doesn't say anything.
Okay, you probably have to push the button twice and hold it in. Okay. Now, what's it say?
He did.
Okay, now, I want you to turn it around and face the other way. Because you can't read how far away your eye is. No. Let me say it. Let me say it. Okay, turn it around. There you go. You did it again. Okay, now push the button twice and hold it in.
20 yards.
20 yards. Are you on the truck or on the blind?
I was on the blind.
And it's 20 yards to here.
Yes.
Okay, now step over here. Alright, now, what does that say? Make sure you're looking through the eyepiece and not the laser. Now you're going to be blind.
It's 20 yards.
20 yards. Alright, so this is about where we want to put our bait. Okay? Alright, let's go get our bait. Alright, kid, this is what we got. We got 50 pounds of corn. Okay, and then we got some random vegetables in here that we're just going to, they smell terrible. Yeah, right. But we're just going to take them and we're just going to dump them out. We got to take that out of the Well, yeah, just don't use your hands.
Just toss them.
Just toss it out there.
Oh, it's kind of too late.
Okay. We got to open up that bag.
You got your pocket knife?
And you don't have a pocket knife?
No, I don't know where Daddy's went. Mommy said that.
Every person, anybody that works with their hands has to have a pocket knife.
Well, I can't find them.
Well, we're going to have to get you a pocket knife. All right, let me get my pocket knife. Yeah, you got a knife in your hunting satchel in the truck. That's all right, you can use mine.
Yeah. Well,
All right, that's good. That's good. Now just dump them out. Good. All right, go put that in the back of the truck or in the box. There you go. All right, now we're going to untie that bag, and then we're going to spread some corn real thin all around here. All right, now you're just going to toss that over in there. That's it. I know you shouldn't be using your hands. I know people, I know we should have a cup, but it's okay. The deer are going to eat, they're going to eat. It's January.
They gotta get fat.
We're just trying to draw them in so this new hunter can. Okay, so you should be using a cup or rubber gloves, okay, and throwing the bait out. But my deer, they don't care. They're going to come out here and they're going to eat anyway. All right, but you could lift. Can you lift that? Don't get a hernia. All right. Just keep throwing it.
It's gonna take a minute.
Yeah, we're going to use that half a bag. All right, it's going to take a hot minute, so we'll come back to you. Okay, so we got this baited out in the area. We spread some corn out just a little bit. Hopefully it'll come in. And we got some corn spread over here, up there where the deer walk, and a little bit in between. So we got some over here. So hopefully this young lady here will be able to get a deer. And we'll get some meat in the freezer for this year. And then we'll come back out in the fall and we'll really hammer them. And we'll start shooting the, we'll pick out our target bucks, and hopefully we'll get our eye on a big buck. Because I had let this property go for several years and haven't been back here. So now that she wants to hunt and she's showing the interest in hunting, I gotta come back out here and straighten up this property, get these deer back up in here, and fix the stands, get all the stands prepped and ready for fall. But for now, we're going to be hunting out of that blind in the winter time. Yeah, we're going to have our little buddy heater too. You damn right. All right, let's go check some more stands. Okay, we got up in the blind stand, and everything looks good. Everything looks kosher. Everything's safe. Had a little bit of water incident up from, now she's sitting in mucky water, but it's all right. So let me show you this view. Huh? Look at that view. We might hunt out of this one too, kid.
I'm down.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Hmm? Yeah, we might hunt out of this one. Who knows? And we'll see. We got the other one baited though. We can bait this one too. Alright, off to another stand. Let's go check some more. Get up there and you're checking the stands. Making sure everything's safe. Is everything safe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Coming down.
All right, come down. Remember, 3 points of contact when you climb up and down. And you always have a safety harness. Get up there, girl. Go check that stand. Now keep in mind, we're not going to be using these stands until fall, but we still got to come back and check them so we know what we have to do to repair them. When you get to the top, you shake.
Huh?
Shake. Make sure it's secure.
Yeah.
Okay. Still got a cushion?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just needs a ski cover.
Okay. The squirrels ate it? Or it deteriorated?
Yeah.
Alright. Climb all the way up. Turn around, sit down. How's that feel?
It's comfortable.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you put your crossbow on that crossbar? Yeah? What's it look like out there? Can you got shots? Yeah? Good. Alright.
Yeah, clear. Right there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. You got a couple more to check on the way out. My mom needs bread. That's Dad's favorite tree stand right there. He killed the biggest buck came out of these woods. New canvas?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
It's all dry rotted and stuff.
Yeah? Well, we'd have to take the stand down to get new canvas put on it.
What would I be going for?
Bugs all up in it?
There's the biggest spider right there.
Oh yeah. That's why you gotta go in there and check them before you use them.
Oh, it's moving.
Now there's,
Yeah, this one's good.
okay. That was a shot. All the way across that water.
Yeah.
That's where he killed that 10-pointer.
Right through these trees?
Right through them trees. Through them big trees.
Yeah.
Right through here. And all the way across the water. Over there. That's where he shot it. And it ran out to the field and died. And he called me up. Alright, well that's a wrap. We checked every stand here. I showed her where the stands were. We threw some bait out. So this is what, December 30th, right?
Yeah.
And winter bow starts January 1st. So we'll get her out here and hopefully we'll be able to put some meat in the freezer. That one. So, all right, we'll be out here in January. See you in January.